However, this conference highlights that the Asian century is not just about economic value, but also about social values. The teachings of Bhagwan Buddha can guide the world in creating a peaceful and progressive era. His wisdom holds the power to lead us towards a human-centric future. Friends, one of the core themes of Samvad is conflict avoidance. Often, conflicts arise from the belief that only our path is correct, while all others are wrong. Bhagwan Buddha offers insight into this issue. Imesu kir sajjanti eke sambrahmana vigyamyam na vivadinti jana ekanga dasinyo. This means that some people cling to their own views and argue, seeing only one side as true. But multiple perspectives can exist on the same issue. This is why the Rigveda states, Ekam Sat Vipraha Bahudha Vadanti. When we acknowledge that truth may be seen through different lenses, we can avoid conflict. Friends, another cause of conflict is perceiving others as fundamentally different from ourselves. Differences lead to distance, and distance can turn into discord. To counter this, a verse from Dhammapada states, Sabbe tasanti dandasya, sabbe bhayanti machuno, attanam upam kattva, na haneyana dhataye. This means that everyone fears pain and death. By recognizing others as similar to ourselves, we can ensure that no harm or violence occurs. If these words are followed, conflict can be avoided. Friends, many of the world's issues stem from taking extreme positions rather than a balanced approach. Extreme views lead to conflicts, environmental crises, and even stress-related health problems. The solutions to such challenges lies in the teachings of Bhagwan Buddha. He urged us to follow the middle path and avoid extremes. The principle of moderation remains relevant today and offers guidance in addressing global challenges. Friends, today, conflicts extend beyond people and nations. Humanity is increasingly in conflict with nature. This has led to an environmental crisis that threatens our planet. The answer to this challenge lies in the shared traditions of Asia, rooted in the principle Dhamma. Hinduism, Buddhism, Shintoism, and other Asian traditions teach us to live in harmony with nature. We do not see ourselves as separate from nature, but as a part of it. We believe in the concept of trusteeship, and as advocated by Mahatma Gandhi. When using natural resources for progress today, we must also consider our responsibility to future generations. This approach ensures that resources are used for growth, not greed.
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new-age design. Book now.